Alright, it's late. I'm tired. I go to my cabin. This is what I gotta put up with. Brandon, you gotta help me out here. I can't sleep to this.
Whoa.
Just sorry to wake you. Just you're snoring. Can you turn on your side or something?
Oh, guess who? Oh, wake up! I don't want to see you right there.
I'm sorry. There's no way I'm gonna be able to get to sleep with all that going on. Just turn to the side or something. All right? Just give me a fighting chance. Just give me a fighting chance. That's all I'm asking for.